In order to start working around with project inside of HitFilm, what you need to do is you need to import media contents into the project first. So for that, over here, you need to go around onto the media section, and here you can see that import is an option. So if I were to go around over here and click on import, then what it allows you to do is you can go around and navigate around into a folder right here and then import out media from over there. For example, you can go around over here inside of, let's say, videos right here, and then what you can do is you can select out these medias that you want to import and then click on open. Once you do that, what happens is that the medias, as you can see, has been imported over here. So when you import out a media, it's like keeping money in a bank account, meaning you do see the media right here, but you don't have to use it. Just like you don't have to use all the money in your bank account, you don't need to use all the media in your media section right here, just like this. So that is one way to import out your media. There are also options to import out special medias right here. So if you want to import regular media, then you select this. But if you want to select other types of medias, then it gives you options over here, as you can see. But that is something that we're going to cover up in future videos. So over here, you can see that I imported out a bunch of videos right here. Another thing that you can do is import out other types of medias as well. So let me just go around onto media right here and then go around over here onto my YouTube drive, and you can see that I have this image. I can go around and import out this image as well. So similarly, I can go around over here and let's say, for example, go into audio. So I can go around, hold shift, select out multiple audios and import out audios over here as well. So you can see that there's different audio over here, and as I go around and select out media, you can see that on the trimmer area, I see the preview for that particular media so that I can go around and select out the portion that I want. So this is how you can see that you can import out medias right here, and that's one way. Another way that you can import out medias are by clicking and dragging out the media files directly over here. So for that, you can see that I have this Explorer window right here. So what you can also do is you can select out the medias that you like and then just click and drag it out directly around over here. And then you can see that it imports those medias out as well. So let me just go around and click and drag this out right here, and they get imported over here, as you can see. One of the good practices that you can maintain while you're importing media like this is keep all of these files over here on the same folder. For example, I'm importing out audio from my audio folder right here and videos from video folder right here, which is okay as long as I don't change the location for those particular videos or media. But if I want to, let's say, for example, import out media contents from different location in my hard drive, then it's a good idea to right click over here and then create a new folder and say my project, or you can name the folder anything you want, and inside of here you want to keep all the medias so that if you want to know where the media is, or if you want to copy out the entire project, then you exactly know where the media files are. And that is how you can go around and import out media files into your project inside of a HitFilm project. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.